Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going into the vault and giving you something that I was not going to post. Here's the set that I'm going to be doing, and it is a overlay. So let's get right into it. I'm sorry you guys, I was going to do a new video, but I needed rest, like real rest, and I haven't been getting any because I've been trying to keep up with my schedules. But today I'm just going into my vault and giving you guys something that I've already done. I wasn't going to post it. I wasn't quite sure how I liked how it came out, but I'm just posting it anyway. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up any dead skin or whatever from my cuticles. And hey guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. And also comment down below what type of sets you guys want to see. Like if you have a specific set that you want me to do, just let me know down in the comments of this video. So I went ahead and finished that. So now I'm going in with some acetone to strip my nail bed of any oils. This is my prepping process. So I literally use acetone or alcohol to get any oils and residue off of my nail bed, and then I go right in with base coat. That's all I do. I don't add primer or anything like that. And this video got did November 8th, and I just forcefully removed them probably right before I did this cow print French tip. So 2 or 3 days ago, I removed them and they did not come off on their own. So my prepping process is A1. If you guys need a easy prepping process, this is it. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some base coat, and I'm going to put a good thick layer of base coat onto each nail and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, I'm just going in with this Bella Vita. I believe this is double dipped polygel. This is where it's from, double dip nails, their polygel line or whatever. I will find it and link it down below, but I'm just using base coat as my slip solution, and I'm just gonna put this soft pink onto each nail and cure that in a lamp. So when I do my cures, I do 30 seconds between each nail, and then I go in for a full cure. So the reasoning for me not posting this video is because I only have the application process of my thumbnail. Everything else I did off camera. I didn't have enough storage, and I didn't realize that I was not recording until after the fact, and my watch was on sleep mode, so it was hard for me to tell, like right then and there. I was kind of caught in the moment. So I'm gonna keep this part at normal speed so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm literally looking at my nail to make sure that I like how it looks, making sure that the cuticle area looks really good, cleaning it up, moving it around, making sure it's not too bulky, and if it is, you can, pat it out and smooth it out as much as possible, and then go back in with your e-file later on. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and finished the application process off camera, and now I'm just wiping off with some rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball. I'm just wiping off that sticky tacky layer before going in with my e-file. So because this is a overlay, I try not to use my e-file as much. I rather use the hand file to get majority of whatever flaws I see off, and then I go on with my e-file to get whatever I couldn't get with this, because like in the cuticle areas, like it hurts to use a hand file. So I would go in with my e-file to clean up my cuticle area if I need to, and like anything underneath or anything like that, like I use my e-file for that. And then I also use the e-file to smooth out the nail. So I went ahead and finished filing off camera. Now I'm just going in with some rubbing alcohol to wipe off any leftover dust. So another reason why I did not do this video is because these nails were on the shorter side, so what I was trying to do kind of didn't come out good because I probably needed the nails to be a little longer. In my opinion, I kind of did not like how they came out, but you guys can let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But I am just mixing those colors that I just showed you together to get a marble fall look. I really didn't even need to go in with this color because I did pink, but this is like a sheer nude kind of color, but like a lighter nude, so it looks like it's baby pink. So I'm literally just dipping my brush into each color and slapping that onto the nail. I'm just putting it on the tip of the nails because these are going to be French tips, but I'm going to clean up after I get done applying the colors. I did wet my brush with alcohol. Now I'm just cleaning up this to make it look like a French tip. After cleaning this up, I did go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. I also added some orange lines for my smile line. I felt like that was just a very long clip to cut down, so I just completely took it out. But as you guys can see, I did add the orange to define my French tip. Don't forget to clean up before you cure, and I did cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very old video that I was not going to post. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. Please like this video up, as it does help the small YouTubers in the world get into the algorithm and push our videos out. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Vlogmas Day 8. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will give you those angles because it wouldn't be a SHAENAILEDITT video without those angles. Again, happy Vlogmas Day 8. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9. Bye, guys.